In Altair SimSolid, virtual connectors can be applied in cases where the corresponding connecting parts are missing in the model. Virtual connectors are a grid imaginary part created between selected faces representing the geometrical support of the connector. SimSolid identifies disconnected groups or parts in your model, and these can be visualized. The virtual connector dialog allows you to select the faces to apply the connector to and define it. Altair SimSolid can automatically select all faces that are coaxial to the one selected, or they can be selected manually as well. You can then select the connector type to be bonded or sliding. Constraints are applied, and now the analysis can be run as normal.